Hi, welcome to Tash Vacation Homes and Rentals, where you experience the perfect blend of serenity and luxury. This is a 5-bedroom villa located in DIANI Kenya, and I've got something very special to show you today, so please come with me on this amazing tour. The first thing you're going to notice is this beautiful main door that makes the place luxurious and elegant. This is the living room, very spacious and beautiful. On the same we have this area where you can sit. Look at this artwork, oh my gosh. You relax here and you enjoy the beautiful view. I'm standing now in this open, beautiful kitchen, designed to be very entertaining and homey with the guests and friends visiting. We also have the space for dining area. Our kitchen is well equipped to make your stay easy and enjoyable, including an outdoor grill. Another beautiful area, they have the chef's kitchen and the laundry. Oh my gosh, welcome to my favorite place for the workout people, for the gym guys. And say everything is included here. This is home. This is where you will relax and wind your stress. Guys, you have to book with us for you to enjoy your stay here. And we have our first bedroom on the ground floor. We are done with the ground floor, now upstairs. Come with me. As you have seen, we have one bedroom on the ground floor, and here upstairs we have 4 bedrooms. So this is the second bedroom, the third bedroom, the 4th bedroom, and this is our 5th bedroom. And finally guys, welcome to our cozy romantic bedroom featuring a luxurious king bed for a comfortable night's sleep. this is our amazing closet space. All the bathrooms are individually designed, styled and finished to very high standard as well. All you need to do is to dial this number down here, book with us and create lasting memories in our beautiful villa. And of course you love to wake up to this amazing and beautiful look down onto your back, the barbecue area and plenty room for you to relax and sunbathe. Let's dive into a unique swimming experience, and of course we have a baby pool. That means you can come along with your kids. Book with us to enjoy your stay, and of course we are located in DIANI, 5 minutes drive to the beach, and this villa promises an unforgettable experience, leaving guests feeling truly rejuvenated. Whether it's a weekend getaway, a holiday retreat or a business trip, our villa offers the perfect setting for relaxation and rejuvenation. Thank you so much guys for watching. For the new subscribers, welcome. This is home, and of course guys, let's keep subscribing. The channel is growing. Let's grow together. Bye for now. I love you all.